Hi guys, at Cradley, Heath level crossing Great Burn with Callow and Joe. And this has finally had an upgrade. There we go. Well, not know what this is for. That's all I can say is that the time is 10:40 on Friday the 24th of July 2015. And it's raining.
What shire is this in?
Greater Birmingham!
Hey?
Greater Birmingham!
Is that what I said?
It's just in Greater Birmingham. That's what everyone else calls it, in Greater Birmingham. I'm getting up here. Won't be a second. Apparently Langley Green has had its upgrade done as well. At least they're caught in both of the old lights. Yeah, that's better. The only need of upgrading this was to replace the logic. This crossing stayed down for like 8 minutes in total for both trains. But it could have actually gone up. Or gone down a lot later. Oh, we got a fast train. Joe, it's apparently a fast train. A non-stop. Non-stop. Does not stop here. Will this be Chiltern or something? Because London Midland never always stop here. Then we got 10:46 on. Delayed. Just a surprise. Probably going to have to go back up and back down for once if she does stay. So here comes our train. I think. Here comes the rain. The only train that doesn't really stop here is Chiltern, or ECS, which this might be, or a freight. Oh, there she is. Oh, we got Chiltern 68013 68013 to somewhere, and that's rare. Are we going up or staying? It's only 3 minutes away, so we're probably staying, knowing our old logic. Yep, we're staying.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 10:43 London Midland.
Oh, we've got 3
service
trains.
to Whitlock's End via Birmingham Snow Hill. Calling at Rowley Regis, Smethwick Galton Bridge, the Hawthorns, Jewellery Quarter, Birmingham Snow Hill, Birmingham Moor Street, Small Heath, Tyseley, Spring Road, Hall Green, Yardley Wood, Shirley and Whitlock's End. This train has 3 carriages.
Thank you, Anne. Apparently this closure we might get 3 whole trains. Oh, there goes Anne again. Which one's going to be in first? Most likely platform 2 probably, because platform 1, she would have had a red signal before. Piece of signal. To Whitlock's End and to Starbridge Junction we've got an orange. So we might have platform 1s first. Most likely we'll have platform 2s. Which one have we got then? Yep, we've got platform 2 first. Oh no, we've got platform 1s first. 172340.
When boarding a train at this station, please mind the gap between the
And here we've got 172335.
Customers, please note that smoking is not permitted anywhere on this station, including
172335 for Stourbridge Junction. Is she finished? Hold on. Anyway, here comes 172340. I've forgotten. Whitlock's End and up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.